Hi guys, I have 10 more minutes until I have to put my clothes from the washer into the dryer here at the camping site. And that means I will rush through this video. I want to show you what I really plan to use this planner for, which launches on the 30th of September on Amazon. And I tried, and it's very used and messy, and yeah, I don't protect it against rain or anything. Get one of my planners now, either on Shopify or on Amazon, or check out my sticker sheets. They are very beautiful. All links, as always, in the description. And now have a lot of fun. So what I had planned initially is I wanted to have one project in 6 languages on one spread. But now I realized I want to use my new stickers that I have on Shopify to reward myself for completing such a project. And I can't use this book because it's a book, it's a bound planner, and it will get too bulky. So I will use my other planner, which I have on Shopify, which I will also have other designs for the cover in October and November. So I use more like a daily log or a weekly log of a lot of tasks, but it doesn't, there's no reward here. So I want to have one day on one page, list out all the tasks, and then in the end have a sticker. I have one sticker set at the moment on Shopify, which is Playful Friends. Is it? Playful? I have to check it out. Playful. I know that it's a dog and a cat. So let me go from one of my videos to the description, and then from there to the shop, Shopify. And then we can see, yeah, this is not the shop, this is the newsletter, home. So this is the planner, but I will have more designs. And then the stickers, here are the stickers. Cheerful Picasso Friends. It's not playful, it's cheerful. Why did I think it's playful? Because I thought Playful Picasso Friends. Oh no, I have to change it to Playful Picasso Friends, because it's a better name. Playful Picasso. So here you can see all of them. So it's a cat and a dog and a bird and a squirrel. And I want to have one of them for a completed project and one of them for a day where I completed all my habits. And with all my habits, I mean, you know, where is it? Those are all the series. So this is yearly tasks. I don't have any problems with my yearly tasks. They are not many. Monthly tasks also no problem. It's only 5 things. But then the weekly. The problem with the weekly is Skillshare, donations, income, expenses, eBay, Shopify, Amazon. But eBay, Shopify, Amazon is not weekly, it's project bound. And bouldering I only did not because now I'm on vacation. I'm not at home. I mean, I'm not around Munich, so I can't go there with my son. So the problem is Skillshare, donations, income, expenses. That's it. Okay. The real problem are the daily tasks. Sugar-free is the biggest problem. Filming, I don't need anymore because I changed my program, my live program. You can see the blog post on polyglotmona.wordpress.com. Meditation. I have to do meditation more often. And yeah, okay, I have to do my hiking guide daily, not every other day. And social media as well, every day. Yeah, but the most important is sugar-free. What about the 10,000 steps? I only did walk, but yeah, some days I walked more than 10,000 steps. And no problem with the lives. Yeah. So I will have my routines then in such a planner. No. I will have the projects here in such a planner so that I can put a sticker, because the spiral is more flexible if this gets bulky. I have a lot of stickers in there. I have those photo stickers. And this one for habits and journaling. I can also have stickers here, but I have to glue all those pages because I don't use them like I intended to. Yeah, it's a shame. I wasted so many pages. I shouldn't have tried it here. I should have tried it on a cheap notebook. But okay, I did that and now it's over and I will glue them all. I will use all my glue for gluing those pages together and then I can start fresh. What do you normally do when you don't like a spread or when you don't use it? Do you just leave it and then with every flip through it stares you in the face and annoys you? Or you just don't care? You forget about it? Or do you glue your pages together when you don't use it or like it? Or do you tear the pages out? Do you throw away your journal and start a new one? Or you never make mistakes and you use all your spreads? So, yes, it was a good idea, but I changed so much that I can't use those threads anymore. The first thing I mentioned in the blog post, it's about the lives and the content of the lives. And then what I also changed is I want to reward myself with beautiful stickers from my shop for each completed project. It's half the book. Okay, I have to go put my clothes from the washer to the dryer now. I will glue the rest together later. And see you soon. Bye bye. Hi guys. Yes, it's dark, it's raining. It's it's 20 minutes to 6 in the evening. But sunset is now at 7:15, so it's not sunset that makes it so dark here. It's the rain. Cloudy sky. Now finally it stands. So I had a problem with my new planner that I will launch on the 30th of September, because I put all my tasks, my tables with tasks in there first with erasable pen. Then I was sure that this is now the final reality and I can do it now with red and green and blue pen. And then some rain happened to the book and it got very ugly at the edges and then inside as well. And then I tried to glue some pages together so that I would have the whole book of pages, but about half of them glued together and the rest of them usable. But it didn't work out because here it folded and yeah, I can't change it anymore. So I didn't want to rip them out, tear them out. I thought it's better to cut them out, and this made it more ugly even. And now I glued one white page from behind to the cover page and also a white page from behind to the back cover. And now it's a thin rest of the book. It's still very ugly. This is the most ugly part now. I don't know if I want to use it now. I don't know if it would have been better to tear them out. I think then the rest would have fallen out. But I will try to use the rest of these pages now to try out some layouts that might be useful to me. that I want to use in this kind of prepared layout with the rainbow stripes and in between white lines. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8 colored lines, and in between the white lines I won't use the first one, so it's 7 white lines and 8, so it's 15. So theoretically perfect for the 15 series, but I don't think it's possible like that, because now I decided on my content plan for the next quarter, and I could write out the content plan for the next 30 days, like for October. I have to check how many pages I have left, but it's more than enough, because if I use 1 page per day, I would need 15 pages, and it's more than 30. Maybe it's enough for 1 quarter. I won't count them now. There are too many. But I think I will try to write my content plan in here and have 1 page a day, and then write down additional tasks or tasks related to the content on that day. And I hope I will use it, and I hope I will like it, because what I also want to do, in the corner I want to put a sticker, and I might put a sticker with a photo of the day, for example, or just a sticker from my sticker stash. I don't know what I have left. I didn't use stickers for some... Ooh, sorry. For some weeks I didn't use stickers, so I'm not sure what I have still in this box. Let me check. So these are for the small printer. You can get it on Amazon. It's in my Amazon affiliate link. That's always the first link in every description. So these are what are they? Post-its. And index cards and other cards. So I have those, then small boxes and dots. I wanted to give this to my son if he needs it, because it says no publicity, no. Yeah, well, people can put in everything they want, but not if you put this. Oh, mushrooms. And I all got them from the supermarket, because I normally am far away from home. I don't have a home anymore. My home is my car. So normally I don't order things very often. More post-its. More post-its. More index cards. and post-its. I think I don't have any stickers anymore. These are reminders what to put in my Amazon affiliate link, but I already did that. It's all falling, but I don't have any more stickers. It's all, that was it. So I only have my photo printer to make a very custom sticker. I won't use sticky notes as stickers because they don't stick as good and they are not decorative. Also, I like those. But they are not decorative enough. And I have a lot of pens here that I don't really use. I also have pens in a case somewhere. Oh no, in this bag. I'll show you. Why is always everything is falling always? And by the way, this is my weekly this week. It's too full. That's why I need 1 page per day. There are my pens. Now, I'm not sure what the difference is between this and this. Maybe I should put them in one place. I don't use those, so I will throw them away, and they are really not very useful to me. I don't know. I liked them when I bought them, but I'm not sure why. So do I want my pens all in one place? Yeah, there's enough space here. So the pens go there. And yes, I would prefer to have